Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Travel with Sadia and Anwar. Hope you guys are doing well. I was watching this beautiful sunset and I couldn't wait to take a shot of this. As you know, summer is here and it's beautiful outside. Today's video is a sponsored video and this is the store, and today we'll explore some kids toys. We will show you a water toy and a flashcards toy for toddlers. I can't wait to show you guys how you can have a great time this summer with your kids, whether that's playing outside with water or playing inside home with these flashcard toys. All the links for these toys will be in the description box. So the first toy is this one. It's a water spray toy. It has two versions, one the green dinosaur one and this pink one. You can easily connect a hose with water so that it gets the connection and it moves 360 degrees spraying water. So it's a very nice product. It moves around when the water comes in. Could be nice and cute and fun. Open-minded, playing the water. Dinosaur water toy series, very nice and very easy to connect. I did it in like 1 minute.
So now we are trying to attach the water line.
Turn on the hose.
You can help Daddy, Arash. Ooh. Yeah, go close. No, don't go too close, but.
Then I might get
There go. The box.
Are you sure it's going to
Yay! Do you like it?
What is going on then?
I'm Maya.
Hi. Hi.
So what are you doing today?
We're going to play with the fun dinosaur toy.
Oh, what's happening here?
We're trying to make it work with water.
Uh-huh. Smile. Wow, look at that. Ooh, you're going to have fun. Am I a smile? Am I a smile? Am I a hustle? I do, mommy hustle. Yay.
Okay.
Are Ow! Oh ma, এটা পুরো ওয়াটার পার্ক। এই তোমরা ডান্স করো, আরেশ নাচো। নাচে আসো পানিতে। না, মায়া বসে ভিতরে দেখছো মাম্মি? ওয়াট, আর আমার যে ভয়টা পেলো। যাও, হ্যাভ ফান। দাও, রাইসাকে দাও। আমায়ও control the water, amount of water. You can go too high. This is medium. This one is good. This height is better. এত ফর্মাল হয়ে মিলল না। আমায় যেতে চাও? ধোবে, পানি ধোবে, ধোবে, ধরো, টাচ। এই যে আচ্ছা,
আমার একটা হাত ধোয়া খুব পছন্দ করে। জানো মাম্মি? The second toy is for toddlers, and this is the flashcard toy that I was talking about. It's called Talking Flashcard Pocket Vocabulary Pocket Vocaby. And it's a nice and colorful toy that you can use. And whenever you insert the cards inside, the flashcard kind of speaks out, and you get to make your child learn new things every day, and they're having fun at the same time. This is the device which reads all the cards for your kids. This children's preschool cards, learning and playing. And Arash will open this card.
And
Can you open the top? Kholo?
yeah,
Kholo.
But I opened the bottom for now. I opened the bottom.
Oh, so when it turns on, it says hello. Can you pause the TV, please? Oh, it has on and off switch.
And
which
this,
we can use.
and this is all the supply cards we have. Let me show you.
I will go
all.
to have a rest.
Okay, so when you
Bye-bye.
turn it off, it says bye-bye.
Yeah, these are all the cards we have.
So we'll turn it on, okay? Now we'll turn it on.
And learn with them, with our sister, because
Hello.
she's here.
Let's play now.
Let's play now. So now, what we can do is we can insert a card. So maybe we'll insert this card.
Yeah,
There's so many.
I'll show you.
Yeah, just insert one card here.
Yeah, do you see this? If we do it this way, it won't show up. in
Please
the-
insert the card
You
again.
have
You
to show it
see?
here like this.
Yeah.
Put it here.
Then we have to put it down.
Yeah.
Then you see?
And it says pillow. Wow.
Wow.
Can you try and
Washing machine.
washing machine? What? One more.
Okay.
Can we try
Oh.
this moon?
Oh. And the sun.
Okay.
Every
Put
of
it
the
like
cards
this.
are falling down, guys. So it's not
Moon. Amaya loves it too. She loves playing with these cards. So she gets to hear what the picture is.
Yeah.
Can you give a new card? Maybe the ice cream one?
Ice cream.
Yeah.
Buy snacks.
Yeah, give it. Give one.
Oh, Maya.
Daw, ikan na daw. Daw. Yeah, we'll try this one. Oh,
Sandwich.
sandwich.
Carrot.
Yeah, so this is how the kids can learn the names of
Ice
things, the
cream.
pictures. Nice. Can we try one more?
Okay. There we go. A little bit more cards.
You can increase the sound.
Hamburger.
Hamburger.
More. I gave more sound.
Okay. One more. Can we try?
Okay.
Noodles.
Noodles. So it's very nice for learning for kids.
I increased the sound.
Yeah.
Ah.
And so we have almost 200 cards here. Animals, daily necessities, vehicles, food, fruits, vegetables, costumes, nature, colors, persons, jobs, and shapes.
Daddy,
Okay, that's a lot.
Daddy,
All these
there's
cards are here.
and there's 200 cards.
200 cards. Yeah.
Mom, and
So,
these are a lot of
I'll
cards.
put the link in the description box. You can buy it from there
Mom.
and you can play with your kids. They can have a good time. That's all for today. See you in the next video.
If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and like it in the video. Subscribe. Bye.